Now dear students, question number 3. Find two numbers whose sum is 27. दो numbers find out करने हैं जिनका sum 27 and product is 182. So very easy question. Two numbers जिनका sum दे रखा है हमें, number 1 plus number 2 is 27. And as I told you, जो हमें find out करना होता है उसी को x मानते हैं. बट दोनों नंबर को x तो नहीं ले सकते. इफ़ लेट द फर्स्ट नंबर भी x, तो दूसरा क्या आएगा देखते हैं. दूसरा क्या आ जाएगा, n2 इज इक्वल टू 27 माइनस एक्स. अगर मैं n1 को x ले लेती हूँ तो n2 की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, 27 माइनस एक्स प्लस एक्स विल बिकम माइनस. सो वी विल स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस. लेट वन नंबर बी x एंड अदर नंबर बी 27 माइनस एक्स. आफ्टर दिस, अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू, their product is 182. So their product means x into 27 minus x is 182. Now just solve the two equations. Solve the equation to get the answer. Very simple. So let us take it to right hand side. Plus x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. So just solve it to get the x number. Okay. So as you can see, a into c, a is 1, c is 182. So if we'll factorize 182, we'll get 2 into 13 into 7. 2 7s are 14 and 13. 14 plus 13 will give you 27. So solve it. Let us solve it. So as you can see, dear students, by solving this quadratic equation by splitting middle term method, minus is there. When you open the bracket, the sign will be changed. We'll get these two factors. From here we'll get these zeros or roots. So both are positive, so number can be positive. Question में positive negative कुछ नहीं बोला है number को. So number can be positive or negative. We have to consider both the answers again. When the first number is 14, means x is 14, the other number will be 27 minus 14 क्या आ जाएगा, 13. And if the first number is 13, then other will be 27 minus 13, 14. So we'll take two cases, case 1 and case 2, as we have done in previous question. When x is equal to 14, first number, then second number will be 27 minus 14, that is 13. And if first number, that is x is equal to 13, जो यहाँ से मिला है, then second number will be 27 minus 13, that is 14. So in this way you have to show both the cases. Okay, in this way you have to show both the cases to solve. Now dear students, next question 4. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Now consecutive means साथ साथ, और कैसे इंटीजर है, पॉजिटिव. याद रखना, अगर आंसर हमारा नेगेटिव आता है, सो इन दिस केस विल नेग्लेक्ट दैट आंसर. टू कंसेक्यूटिव पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, लाइक पहला अगर हमारा 5 है तो इसके साथ वाला क्या हो जाएगा, 5 + 1 6. अगर हमने पहला 6 लिया है तो नेक्स्ट क्या आ जाएगा, 6 + 1 7. बट अभी हमें फाइंड आउट करना है, तो इफ़ द फर्स्ट इंटीजर भी x, तो नेक्स्ट कैसे मिलता है, +1 करके. सो x, x + 1. सो वेन एवर दे विल आस्क यू द कंसेक्यूटिव इंटीजर्स, रिमेंबर दिस x एंड x + 1. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहे हैं, व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, सम ऑफ whose squares is 365. For sum we'll write plus, whose means the numbers, sum of whose means the numbers, square, whose square means we'll take the square, is के लिए आ जाएगा is equal to 365. Now as you know, whole square is there, we have to apply the identity now. Which identity we will use, we will use a plus b whole square. And what is that identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So to open the bracket, we'll use this identity. So what do we get? X square. This is monomial, ये तो simple आ जाएगा x square. But this is binomial, we have to apply the identity. So a square means x square plus b square means 1 square plus 2 into a into b, 2 into x into 1, 2x, 365. So combine the like terms, x square is 2x square plus 2x plus 1 square is 1. Again, these two are constant terms, combine them, 2x square plus 2x plus 1, and let us take it to the left hand side, become minus 1. So equation will be 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. But dear students, I told you can reduce the equation if all the coefficients and constant term are the multiples of the same number, and all these are even numbers, they can be divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 16 8s are 16, 2. So the equation is reduced in this form. Now just use splitting middle term method to get the value of x, and we will consider that value of x which is positive, because in this question they have told us to find out positive integers. Okay, so let us solve. So when you prime factorize a into c means 182, you will get these factors 2, 13, 7, right? From here we need 1, middle term is 1. तो 1 कैसे मिलेगा? 2 7s are 14 and 13. 14 minus 13 is 1. So we can write 1x as 14x minus 13x minus 182. Now open the bracket, because outside the bracket plus sign is there, so no change. So let us solve it. So when you take common, you will get this form, x minus आएगा, यहाँ पर minus है, the sign will be changed, both the terms will become positive. We'll get two factors, either x plus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is 0. From this value you will get positive value, and from here you will get negative. तो if अगर आपको integer के साथ positive negative ना होता बेटा, then we will consider both the answers. But because integers can be positive or negative, but in the question it is given positive integer, so we will write neglected word for the negative value. So this is not the answer, our answer is this. So if first integer is 13 means x, then second कैसे मिलेगा consecutive, next कैसे मिलेगा 13 plus 1 14. तो second integer will be 13 plus 1, that is 14. So these two are the answers. So I hope it is clear to you. So now dear students, question number 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm. Now they are talking about right triangle. जब भी किसी particular shape की बात करेंगे तो हम उस shape को draw करेंगे. We will draw the shape and we will apply all the properties related to the shape to get the equation. Like as I told you, if speed equation is there, we will form the equation using speed formula. Similarly, if the right triangle is there, we will make the right triangle. Right triangle means a 90-degree triangle. What is given to us? If the altitude of a right triangle, if the altitude means AB is, for us will write equal to, if the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less, 7 centimeter less, less के लिए minus, किस में से? Then its base, base में से 7 कर दें. And if the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, comma, find other two sides. Hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find other two sides. So dear students, what is altitude? AB. Altitude is 7 less than its base, means BC. So from here we will first assume any out of these two sides, any one side as x. किसे लेंगे x? AB को या BC को? यस बी सी को जो कॉम्बिनेशन में होता है उसे एक्स लेते हैं. सो लेट अस टेक बी सी एज एक्स. तो अगर बी सी एक्स हो जाएगा तो वॉट विल बी ए बी. ए बी विल बिकम एक्स माइनस 7. So is it clear to you? So now according to the question, it is a right triangle. Right triangle is there. So right triangle में कौन सी theorem use कर सकते हैं बेटा? We can use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, you all know hypotenuse square, that is AC square, is equal to perpendicular square. Perpendicular square means AB square plus base square means BC square. Right? So put the values AB. AB is x minus 7 whole square plus BC हमने x माना है. Square is equal to AC is given to us 13 square. But I left one thing. Let base is equal to x and altitude is equal to x minus 7. स्टेटमेंट भूल गए थे लिखना तो लिख लेंगे. नाउ अप्लाई द प्रॉपर्टी. मीन्स a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इज देयर. तो हमें क्या फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना पड़ेगा? a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. सो a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर आइडेंटिटी क्या होती है? a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. सो वी विल यूज़ दिस आइडेंटिटी नाउ टू ओपन द ब्रैकेट. So a square plus b square means 7 square is 49 minus 2ab, 2 into x into 7, 2 7s are 14x plus x square is equal to 13 square is 169. So x square plus x square 2x square minus 14x plus 49, and when it come to left hand side becomes minus 169. So from here you will get the equation 2x square minus 14x. बड़ा कौन है ये वाला? तो माइनस साइन 169 minus 49, 120 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Again you can see all three are multiples of 2. We can reduce. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 60s are. So new equation will be x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So dear students, now prime factorize it to get the answer. So dear students, by prime factorizing 60 will get these factors. So हम किस किस को combine कर रहे हैं? 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 and 5. तो 12 minus 5 will get 7, that is middle term. So we'll write x square, put the bracket minus 7 can be written as 12 minus 5. So 12x minus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Minus is there, open the bracket and change the sign. Plus 12 become minus 12x. This will become plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now let us solve it. So dear students, by solving this equation we'll get two values, x is equal to 12 and x is equal to minus 5. But as you know that the side length can't be negative, so this value will be neglected. This will be the answer. So the base is x, means base is 12. Then altitude is x minus 7 means 12 minus 7, that is 5. Therefore base is equal to x, that is 12, and altitude is equal to x minus 7, that is 12 minus 7, that is 5 centimeter. Do not forget of writing the unit, otherwise your half marks will be deducted. Okay. So dear students, I hope the question is clear to you. They are talking about right triangle, so make a right triangle. Altitude is the line, standing line. Base is the baseline, bottom line, sleeping line, and hypotenuse. Altitude is 7 less than base, तो हम जो combination में होता है उसे x लेते हैं. Base is x, altitude is this, and we will apply Pythagoras theorem because this is a right triangle. No other condition is mentioned in the question. So I hope it is clear to you. Now dear students, next question is just similar to the example 1b part which we have done in second question. A cottage industry produces a certain नंबर ऑफ पोट्री आर्टिकल्स, पोट्री मीन्स मिट्टी के बने चीज़ें, इन अ डे, जैसे खिलौने, मिट्टी के खिलौने, कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री है. इट वॉज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डे दैट द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन was 3 more than the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost, again total cost is given to you, if the total cost of production on that day was 90 rupees, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So whatever they will ask you, that will be our statement. They asked you the number of articles, so we will write let the number of articles be x. And the second thing they asked us is the cost of each article, so let the cost of each article is equal to, तो ये हमें दे रखा है कॉस्ट, बेटा क्या दे रखा है, लेट अस सी व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस. इफ इट वाज ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डे कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल वॉज के लिए क्या लगाएंगे, इक्वल टू वॉज 3 मोर देन, क्या गिवन है क्वेश्चन में, वॉज 3 more than twice the number of articles. 3 more than, तो 3 more than के लिए plus twice means 2 multiply the number of articles means x. Cost of each article on that day was के लिए equal to 3 more than के लिए plus twice means 2 times means 2 multiplied by द नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स, और नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स हमने कितने लिए हैं, एक्स. तो एज आई टोल्ड यू जो कॉम्बिनेशन में होता है उसी को एक्स लेते हैं. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, इक्वेशन कहाँ से बनेगी, टोटल कॉस्ट से. अगेन टोटल कॉस्ट इज़ 90 रुपीज़, और टोटल कॉस्ट कैसे आती है, नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल, जैसे नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच चॉकलेट. तो एक्स इंटू व्हाट डू वी राइट, एक्स इंटू cost 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. Now just solve it. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. And dear students, 2a into c, 2 into 90, तो इसे solve कर लेंगे. So dear students, 2 into 90, 2 into 90, 2 as it is, और 90 को के फैक्टर्स हमने निकाल लिए, 2533. वी नीड मिडल टर्म एज 3 लेके आना है, तो 5 3 15, हम इन दोनों को कंबाइन करेंगे, एंड 2 2 4 इंटू 3 इज़ 12, इससे कंबाइन करेंगे. इफ विल सब्ट्रैक्ट देम विल गेट 13. 15 माइनस 12 इज़ 13, दैट इज़ द मिडल टर्म. सो विल रिप्लेस, 3, दैट इज़ द मिडल टर्म, विल रिप्लेस 3 बाय दिस. सो 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 15x माइनस 12x, 3x को हम ये लिख देंगे minus 90 and get the answer. Okay, get the answer. So dear students, by solving it you will get these two factors, either first factor is 0 or second. When you solve first factor, 2x plus 15 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 15, x is equal to 15 by 2, that is 7.5. Why this value is neglected, बेटा आर्टिकल्स, नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स x है, मीन्स कोई चीज़, नंबर ऑफ, मान लो पोट्री आर्टिकल्स हैं, मिट्टी के बने हुए खिलौने हैं, चीज़ है कोई, क्या वो कोई 7.5 चीज़ें बनाएंगे, कोई भी आर्टिकल है कंप्लीट बनाया जाता है, ना कि आधा अधूरा. सो दैट्स वाई दिस विल बी निगलेक्टेड. विल टेक दिस होल नंबर एज द आंसर. देयरफॉर नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स बी एक्स, दैट इज 6, एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल इज इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 3. तो यहाँ पुट करेंगे x की वैल्यू 6, विल गेट द कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल एज 15 रुपीज़. So in this way you can solve this question also.